Happy Sunday, besties. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a good day because we are gathered here on my living room floor to talk about cute accessories. Like, what better thing to do on a Sunday than talk about cute accessories, right? Basically, I've been thinking about which items in my outfits are those little details that just makes the outfit become like a good outfit day. You know, you can have like a good hair day, a good skin day, like a good feeling good about my body day, but what's that little thing that makes an outfit turn that day into a good outfit day? Something that I just adore wearing are scarves. I think a good silk scarf can just elevate. I feel like I shouldn't hit you with this box. Let's just take out the little scarf, shall we? Silk scarves is one of my favorite accessories to elevate an outfit with. I think wearing a silk scarf, first off, just feels luxurious. It's just a luxurious experience. It's just one of these things that, like in history, silk has been seen as one of those fabric that is like high value and things like that. And I think like even to this day, a silk scarf can just make you look classy, classic, elegant, chic, all of the above. I adore a silk scarf. I have a few here to show you. This is one of those scarves that I found like secondhand. It looks to be a Swedish brand called Beklädnadskompaniet. Established in 1922. The brand doesn't matter. Like if it's a silk scarf and it's in a color that you adore, it will elevate your outfit. I promise. The brand, like I said, does not matter in this case. Like just look at this. Obviously, we all know I adore an equestrian pattern and just an equestrian vibe, and obviously this has an equestrian pattern and an equestrian vibe, so naturally we're just obsessed. The second silk scarves I have are Hermes silk scarves. This one comes to no surprise, probably because it's also an equestrian pattern. Do we see a theme already? It is basically this maroon color, and like the saturation of Hermes colors is just unmatched, literally. Hermes does color so well. I know every girly on the internet says it, but I will say it too. Hermes colors are just the ones. Just look at this. Oh my gosh, for fall, I am so excited to wear this for fall. I'm gonna hide behind this scarf for a moment because you just need to see. Like, look at this pattern. Oh my gosh. We are obsessed. Lastly, I have a little reversible, actually Hermes Maxi Twilly. This Twilly, I mean, we've seen on my channel before. I just adore it. This is one of my favorite ways to elevate an outfit. Like it says on the tin, right, with this video. This is just one of those, like, any day I wear this scarf, it's a good outfit day. And I just feel classy, chic, classic, elegant, elevated, all of the above. All of the buzzwords that the styling girlies on YouTube like to wear, this one can be described in. We adore. And like with scarves, like my favorite way to wear a scarf is basically like you look at a specific color in the scarf or in your outfit and you just pick like one color to make the whole look be a little bit matchy, right? With this scarf, for example, like if I'm wearing something that has this little magenta color, I like putting on this scarf. Like for example, an Hermes Click H bracelet that I have in a similar color to this. I just adore pairing those two because it gives that look kind of a mood, kind of like a theme, kind of like a color running through it that's matchy, and to be honest, I kind of adore that little matchy detail in my outfits. I think it's so cute, so chic, and it makes the look be so intentional. And as we all know, like I wear pretty like neutral outfits, right? So just bringing a pop of color through a scarf or like making a look go full circle with like matching a specific like accent color, I think is such a good look. We adore. Secondly, something I think can elevate any outfit if done correctly is a belt. I think belts can be a little bit tricky. Sometimes a belt is just bringing a look to like a little bit too much of a vibe. When you have a lot going on already, then you might not need a belt. But when you have a look that like it just needs an additional little oomph, then you pick like a belt that goes with the outfit and you will just bring it to a 10 out of 10 kind of outfit day. Okay, so my battery was exhausted and that was the literal words my camera used. So apologies if the background slightly changed, but belts. My two belts I have here to show you today. My Cartier belt and my Saint Laurent belt. This belt is one of my faves. I've had it for I think like 4 years now. It's still going strong. It's still in like pristine condition. Like look at that python and it's shining in the light. And the Art Deco buckle I think is just totally fabulous. This belt is essentially a maroon color. It has both silver and gold on the buckle. The gold is very shiny, right? And the silver is brushed silver. It gives kind of a cool visual effect, especially when it catches the light. I adore this belt. I think the maroon color is one of those colors that, like, it's neutral, but it's still a little bit of a pop of color, which is why I think this belt is just one of those that elevates any look and makes it look a little bit more intentional, a little bit more chic. Matching it, for example, with my little Hermes Click H bracelet in a maroon color, right? With this maroon belt, I think is such a cute look, and especially with my little ruby ring as well. Oh my gosh, look at that combo, so chic. So that also gives additional vibes, additional mood, additional octane to my outfits to make it a good outfit day. The next thing is something that I'm wearing currently, and that is a pearl necklace. Like, I never used to be a pearl necklace girly until basically my mom gave me this pearl necklace, and after that I've never gone back to not wanting to wear a pearl necklace. I think a pearl necklace, like, yes, if you're very much into looking as young as possible, maybe a pearl necklace is not for you. But if you don't mind looking slightly like a grandma, like yours truly, then a pearl necklace is just ideal. I adore my pearl necklace. I think it kind of ages my looks a little bit, but honestly, I don't mind. I think a grandma aesthetic is always a good idea. It's one of these that has like a weighted kind of pearl design, right? So you have the bigger pearls down here, the smallest pearls up here, and then the clasp is just so fabulous. Look at that little emerald stone in the middle. I think this is just fabulous. If you're not a believer in pearl necklaces, then I would say go you do you, boo. But I think for me, anytime I'm wearing like an outfit that I'm like, that's so chic, that's so elegant, that looks so luxurious, so classy, 9 out of 10 times I'm wearing a pearl necklace, because I think a pearl necklace just elevates any look. I would say it gives it like an elegant flair. I think it goes very well with my luxurious equestrian cafe style narrative, and I'm just obsessed. So like I said, if you're not a believer in pearl necklaces, maybe just try it out and see if you also can be converted to a pearl wearing necklace person like me. Because yeah, before my mom gave this to me, I never thought I was like a pearl necklace girly, but at my core, apparently I am. Like my mom, she wears like one gold necklace with a gold and diamond cross and one pearl necklace. And I think it just looks so chic, so cute, so elegant. And I'm like, I want to be that girly too, you know? Now, another thing that I think elevates any outfit is wearing a cute hair accessory. Like whether it is like a little bow in your ponytail or a little cute velvet scrunchie that matches your outfit. But the one thing that I've kind of realized recently is that I adore headbands. Now, I don't really adore the kind of over-the-top, taking over your entire face kind of headbands, you know, the whatever padded headbands that were super in, or like the little knot headbands. I think those can look, I mean, don't sue me, but I think they can look kind of juvenile and kind of like to me, they don't look very elegant. But if you have a headband, that's just, it brings a little bit of a vibe, but it doesn't take over your entire face. You know, I have this little guy. Okay, no, it might not look the cutest, but I think just adding a little headband in a color that, if you see it right there, like it's not bringing a huge amount of vibes, but it's just bringing a little bit of a vibe, you know? It's close enough to my hair color to not like stick out that much, but it's still just there and it still just brings a little bit of a vibe, you know? Like it doesn't have to be hugely out there, but just a little detail that kind of makes the look go full circle and just, like I said, brings an additional vibe, additional mood, additional octane once again to an outfit. So this specific one is a Missoni one. If we can see, it has like the traditional Missoni pattern, and I think any day I've worn this, it's been a good outfit day, so I'm slightly obsessed. Something that I always wear are my sunglasses. Apologies for the reflection, but I think sunglasses are just such a vibe. Even if you just have them on your head to like keep your hair out of your face, I think sunglasses can elevate any outfit. Kind of brings a little bit of, I'm not sure if that makes sense, but a little bit of allure, a little bit of mystery, a little bit of like, OMG, who is she kind of vibes. And I am obsessed. These are my Saint Laurent M40 sunglasses. You've seen them on my channel like 1,000,002 times, and they just have the little YSL logo right there. They're simple, but they're amazing. Let's just put it like that, and I'm obsessed. And I think the Saint Laurent sunglass case it's just fabulous, brilliant, super cool, super classy, super chic, super cute. So sunglasses, always wear. In terms of my favorite sunglasses, and in terms of the sunglasses that like makes the outfit a good outfit day, whatever outfit I'm wearing, it's the Saint Laurent M40s for me personally. So guys, those were the 5 accessories that for me personally always elevate any outfit and make it a good outfit day. Do you have any accessories that you have like pinned in your wardrobe as those like 10 out of 10 accessories that you can always wear? It's never like, no, I don't feel like wearing that today. But every time you like think about wearing it, you're like, yes, let me just wear that because it will be a good outfit day. Let's talk all about fun accessories in the comments. I will be so excited to hear from you what accessories you wear to make it a good outfit day. Guys, thank you so much for watching and for spending this time and space with me. If you enjoy this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. It helps out my teeny tiny channel a lot. If you enjoy this chat with me, consider subscribing and becoming part of the Siedler family. Thank you once again so much for watching, and until my next video, stay safe, take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.